Hello teacher and hello everyone. My name is Mirirat and I'm a student of Edward International School, Ireland. I'm studying English 1A book in the evening shift. Today I'm very delighted to conduct a presentation of a topic called my dream. My dream is to travel the world. I want to visit different countries, learn about culture, try new food and meet people. I especially want to visit England, Japan, Australia, and the USA. I believe that traveling can help me grow, become open-minded, and understand the world better. I also hope to take photos, write stories, and share my experience. For me, it's not just to seeing new places, but about also learning and personal growth. My dream gives me motivation to study, work hard, and never give up. How about your dream? Totally, I'd like to recommend all people should try to do their best to make their dream come true someday. Thank you for paying attention for me. Wish you all the best forever and always.